going on, everybody? So I'm just sitting here chilling. Sun's done went down. Nice little breeze. Feels pretty good outside right now. But a buddy of mine just called me. Said he was on his way over here now. He's got a 90s model truck, 6.0 swap. I think it's carbureted. I think he's got some head work, cam and stuff like that. Headers, obviously. But I talked to him the other day. I told him when he got it running, he needed to holler at me, take me for a ride in it, see what it's about. The way he talks is a pretty bad ride, so we're gonna see. It might be him. I hear something. It might be him now, because he's always got shit with open headers and crap. Yeah, I think that's him pulling up. But I think he just put another transmission in it. We're gonna see what she'll do. Quick fuel, huh?
Yeah, 950.
950.
It likes it.
I heard that.
You finna see.
Man, you got a radiator in this motherfucker, don't you?
Yeah.
What'd that come out of? A damn Suburban?
Yeah. I was worried with the bigger converter and the bigger gears and the more fuel that it was gonna get warm. And she stays right at 140, 150.
Oh yeah.
Where you feel it's where it stays.
So what all?
Spraying nitrous to it too.
What all you got done? Heads and cam or what?
Yeah, heads, cam. It's got a stock 6.0 short block. It's got a turbo 350 in it.
799 heads.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
I'm finna swap them for some LS3s. I just gotta do all the work to them. They dropped the valve and beat the head up a little bit. I'm gonna mill them back and weld up around the seat and shove a new seat in them.
You got a bottle in it now?
Yeah, and it's got some in it too. It's got some in it.
So you got your new transmission in. She ready now, huh?
She's ready. All except for a pinhole in the yoke.
Is that transmission manual valve body?
No, it might as well be though.
Everything but that, huh?
Everything but that. It's a round track transmission.
Oh, yeah.
Means when you let off in second gear like you're trying to downshift, there's no band to catch it. It just freewheels. Get back on it, pick up.
This a newer model 6.0? You just got new coils on it? Hell yeah.
It's a Gen 4 motor.
Yeah, you got the good one then.
Yeah, I'd had to give my big block truck up to get it, but I got it. I'm tired of kicking starters off at 496. I took a Gen 6 496 out of a 2001 truck, put 454 overport heads on it, put a mild roller on it, and I couldn't for anything in the world keep a starter on that motherfucker. It'd kick it off.
Everybody uses a Gatorade bottle or Powerade bottle.
Yeah.
I need to put one on my damn truck. I ain't got one. It just blows all over the ground.
Trying to get the oil leaks fixed, but it's wore the fuck out. Man, you tear them down, you know an LS, when you walk that piston in the fucking block, it's wore out. She's holding together though. I got her waiting to move.
Let's go see what she'll do then. Old Hot Wheels.
Yeah, you see it.
Yeah, I was looking at it. No fucking seatbelts.
There ain't none.
I'm riding with your motherfucking ass.
Damn. Killed me yet.
Hell, I wear a seatbelt everywhere I go now. You ain't got no exhaust, do you?
Nope.
It's always open headers.
Always. That's the only way I could get it to flow that 850 or 950. That's my boss man's carburetor. He calls that motherfucker greasy.
Yeah, I was pulling around the other day. Old girl come out there bitching and raising hell. I wasn't doing nothing but burnouts in front of my driveway. I wasn't going fast past their house. do much.
Oh, it ain't nothing fancy but the shell cut for
Yeah, that's what I was looking at.
It's all store-bought fucking suspension shit under the bank.
Got some stitches. Yeah, I don't guess nobody expects it to run like that, huh?
No. No. I get motherfuckers all the time. That Hellcat boy, he was pissed. 2015 Hellcat, old boy.
Nobody likes whenever a truck outruns them, especially in damn cars.
Hell no. Airport Boulevard. I was down there, me and the old lady just shooting the shit. Well, looking beside me, and this motherfucker rolls up in a silver Hellcat. Well, yeah, he rolls his dark tinted window down. He's like, hey, I can't hear my music in my car for your fucking truck. I said, light turns green, motherfucker. I ain't gonna see you nor hear you ever again. He rolled his fucking window. He started staging up on that motherfucker. Light turned green. I popped a bottle to it with them stickies, and that bitch hooked and left his ass. He was like we was on the bridge, cuz. I left his ass.
Well, we made it back to the house. No cops got after us. We didn't die with no seat belts. But we got back here and sat out there and bullshitted for a while. Ended up getting dark on us. I forgot to close the video out, so that's what I'm doing now. Just a quick little outro, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, truck runs pretty good for what it is. It's a 6.0, 799 heads. Got a cam in it, pretty big cam. I think he said 640, 650 lift, something like that. I don't know duration or LSA, but pretty big cam. Turbo 350 transmission. Forgot to ask him what stall, but I assume a 3000, 3500, something like that. And then it's got 373 gears in it. But oh yeah, and he's got 150 shot of gas on it, or nitrous, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, it runs pretty good. I'd like to run him all motor to motor with my truck. He'd probably get me, but I just like to compare it to see how it does against something like that. You know, a mild 350 against a mild 6.0. You know, I ran him years ago in that truck when he had a 400 or 406 in it, and I had a flat top Vortec 350 with a little cam in my truck. Outrun him pretty good at that time, but it's safe to say he's probably got me this time. But I still like to run him motor to motor and see how they compare. And another thing, he said the short block that he's got in his truck has 340,000 miles on it. He said it's been in his truck for a couple years now, so it's a pretty tough little motor to handle the kind of abuse he's throwing at it, because he was running it close to 7,000 RPM. So yeah, pretty tough little 6-liter. But yeah, just want to do a quick little outro. But we're gonna end this one off here. Y'all just like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more later.